Discover how to track institutional position changes and filter consensus stock data using the Warifin platform. Starting on the main dashboard, we can see the initial market overview and current indices performance before diving into specific institutional data. To access the premium analytical tools, we begin by heading over to the Warifin Alpha section in the left sidebar menu. Scrolling down the menu reveals the full suite of specialized tools available for deep market analysis. Opening Alpha Radar allows us to track reported position changes and monitor institutional consensus trends. The system is now loading the comprehensive Institutional Alpha Radar dashboard, preparing the latest filing datasets. To focus our analysis on recent activity, we set the look-back period to 45 days. Activating beginner mode simplifies the technical terms, making the initial data review much more accessible. We click Refresh to pull in the most up-to-date institutional holdings data matching our selected time frame. The updated visualizations now display the latest institutional consensus trends across the market. Moving down the page brings the complete list of institutional consensus stocks into view. Scanning further down helps us identify which specific equities are seeing the strongest institutional backing. To focus on a specific target, we enter EQT into the Search by Ticker input field. The dashboard now displays the filtered consensus metrics specifically for EQT. Clearing the search field resets our view so we can adjust our display settings. We are ready to look at more detailed data points, which requires switching off the simplified view. Clicking the Beginner Mode button again turns it off, restoring the advanced institutional metrics. Entering EQT back into the ticker search bar now displays the Advanced Institutional Holdings table. Clicking on Vanguard Group Inc. opens up their specific filing details for this position. Here we can analyze the quarter-over-quarter shares change to see Vanguard's recent accumulation pattern. Closing this pop-up window allows us to compare these findings with other major institutional holders. We click on BlackRock Inc. to examine their latest filing activity and see if it aligns with the broader consensus. The filing details show BlackRock's quarter-over-quarter share accumulation, confirming strong institutional interest. We close the BlackRock window to continue exploring other institutional filings in the list. Scrolling down the list of EQT filings helps us spot other significant market participants. Clicking on JP Morgan Chase & Co. reveals their recent positioning in the stock. The data confirms that JP Morgan Chase has established a significant new position in EQT. We clear EQT from the search bar to run a new query on a different asset. Entering SMP into the search bar updates the view to show filings for this specific ticker. Clicking on State Street Corp lets us investigate their specific activity in SMP. We wrap up by analyzing the quarter-over-quarter shares increase for State Street Corp, confirming their growing position. You have successfully navigated Warifin Alpha Radar, adjusted look-back periods, and analyzed institutional accumulation patterns for EQT and SMP.